Good afternoon, dear children. So, here let us start with the poem Matharim Bhajata, a blessing for world peace. So, this is it is about the songs which were written in Sanskrit and composed in Sanskrit and then which were sung by M.S. Subbalakshmi, the great singer who have sang for years and has even entertained and motivated us for her various renditions that she has given. So here we read about Matharim Bhajata, a blessing for world peace. So here M.S. Subbalakshmi was invited to sing at the UN on 23rd October 1966 on UN Day by Mr. U. Thant, the Secretary General. She was invited to sing at the United Nations on 23rd October 1966 on the United Nations Day by Mr. U. Thant. So here, who was he? He was the Secretary General. So he had invited her to sing because she was a famous singer and her renditions that she has sung is all beautiful ones which has entertained as well as motivated us. So Jagat Guru Chandrasekhar Saraswati composed a benediction in Sanskrit for the occasion. So here who had composed this benediction? Jagat Guru Chandrasekhar Saraswati. So he had composed this benediction, and this benediction, the meaning of this is that it is a blessing which is given after the prayer. Okay. So that was composed in Sanskrit and specially for this occasion so that Dr. M.S. Subbalakshmi would sing there and she would give her beautiful rendition over there. So here, composed a benediction in Sanskrit for the occasion which M.S. Subbalakshmi sang. Read the benediction's English translation in the form of a poem. You can hear the song on this link. Okay, so you can go to that link and get that song. So let us start with the poem. It's a short one, but it carries lot of message and it gives lot of values to us. So from which we are going to learn some values. Okay. So here, show friendship to all for it conquers hearts. So she means that when we are showing our friendship, so here it will actually conquer the heart, and that is what is required. We are not supposed to conquer only territories. Okay. So here Jagat Guru Chandrasekhar Saraswati, he means it that we are not here in this world to conquer territories. We are here to conquer the hearts. And so let us make this world a beautiful place for each one of us, whether the human beings or the animals or any other living beings, so that we all live in harmony. So this is actually an appeal to the people to stay in a healthy and harmonious way. So show friendship to all for it conquers hearts. Look upon the world as your family. Give up war. So when you are seeing everybody, each member around you in this world as your family, then we don't fight. We will never have the feeling to fight with anyone. So he's making an appeal. Give up war. Don't fight. Give up rivalry. Rivalry means the enmity. Give up greed. Yes, when we have the greed, then only we start to fight that this is mine, this is not yours, it belongs to me. Once that greed goes away from our hearts, then everything is for everyone. We learn to share. Until and unless the feeling of greed quits our heart, we will always try to keep things only for ourselves. We will never share. For Mother Earth fulfills all our desires. Yes, Mother Earth has given us food, shelter, and clothing. And what else do we require? These are the basic necessities. If our necessities are the only desires, then I don't think so that we will have the feeling to fight. But what happens is that we transform the luxuries as our necessities, and then only there is all this animosity, the rivalry. Then only we have this greed. So we should not transform our luxuries as our necessities. So here, give up greed, for Mother Earth fulfills all our desires. And God, our Father, is most merciful. Yes, God has given us everything what we require. Only thing is that we should not desire for more. O people of this world, live with restraint. Restraint means we should have our own controlled behavior. We should not wish to have more and more. The day we start wishing to have more and more, then only we go out of control, and then we fight for things that this belongs to me. So live with restraint. Give generously. So learn to share. So then if we learn to share, then we will never have fight. And show kindness. So we should always help everyone, especially the needy. Let good happen to all. Let good happen to all. Let good happen to all. So this is what he tries to say us through this poem or this benediction, that let us all live in this beautiful world peacefully, sharing everything whatever God has provided us, and let us be merciful to everyone. Let us share, let us forget our war, enmity, and live together and make this world a beautiful place to live. Because this is a blessing which has been given to us, that we are born as human beings and we got this beautiful earth to live in. Let us all live in it peacefully. This is the message that Jagat Guru Chandrasekhar Saraswati wants to give us through his benediction. So I hope that you all understood this. So please go through the poem, and then it's not a difficult poem, you'll be able to understand. Okay, so thank you and have a wonderful day.